So I've been using the Copenhagen Grooming Hair Growth Kit every day for the past 60 days, and here are my results so far. So just to bring everyone up to speed, this is the second video in my 150-day hair growth journey with Copenhagen Grooming. Copenhagen Grooming is a men's grooming company that's been around for the past decade or so, primarily known for their beard growth kits. They contacted me 2 months ago in order to start this whole journey of reviewing their hair growth kit for the 30, 60, and 150-day mark, and they allowed me to be as transparent as possible. Now, getting into everything that you're going to be receiving in the kit, the first is their dietary capsules. Now, these contain zinc, biotin, pumpkin seed oil, and copper. Mineral deficiencies is one of the leading causes of hair loss right after genetics and androgenic alopecia. And I like the mineral blend that they have in here. The biotin, the copper, the zinc, as well as iron is a very common to see guys who are starting to lose their hair or even having some gradual thinning tend to be mineral deficient in this. As well as pumpkin seed oil has been shown in some clinical research to be a great DHT inhibitor. We all know leading cause of hair loss, androgenic alopecia from excess DHT levels. So having a DHT blocker in it and having to be 100% organic is a great plus. So I've been taking these every day for the past 60 days with my finasteride in the morning, and it has been a no-brainer. One thing that I've noticed is that they are not hard on the stomach whatsoever. I know if you're taking like a multivitamin or a lot of different maybe medication stuff, it can be a little bit hard on your stomach. Not with these. It has been completely smooth sailing. The next thing in your kit is the Moon Roller, a large 0.5 millimeter derma roller with 1,140 needles. This has to be one of my favorite derma rollers I have used across these past few years. I've gone through a lot from Amazon to automatic ones, paying from anywhere between $20 to $200 for derma rollers, and this one is the absolute best. That 0.5 millimeter length is the ideal for stimulating the hair bulb, and having 1,140 needles in there means you're going to cover more surface area with fewer passes, and you can get an even pressure throughout. You're also going to get this cleaning cleanser for the Moon Roller just to ensure you're keeping everything as sanitary as possible, because you are going to be pricking the skin. There could be some blood, some inflammation. You want to keep everything healthy as possible. And last but certainly not least, the most important thing is their activator serum. This 100% organic and peptide triple complex blend designed to stimulate the derma papilla or the hair bulb to help increase the hair shaft thickness and the diameter, as well as to recruit growth factor stimulants to the area post derma rolling. And the process so far has been super simple. I've been a little bit more diligent these past 30 days and been really trying to track how often I am using the Moon Roller, and that has been every 4 days. So what I like to do, I like to go as many passes, vertically, horizontally, diagonally as possible, cover as much surface area, get a fair bit of redness build up, apply the activator serum. And what I've noticed with the activator serum over the past 60 days, whether you're going to be using it in the morning or the night, it is non-greasy. That is always been my biggest gripe with using a lot of traditional Rogaines and minoxidils, is it's super greasy for your hair. This, if you're in a rush in the morning, you're applying it, you can still style your hair. It won't leave your hair feeling greasy or brittle, and it's absolutely great. I've been doing the microneedling about every 4 days or so. Once that redness really subsides and there's no local tenderness to the area, then I would microneedle again just to ensure I'm getting the most amount of progress. And it's overall been quite an easy process. I would say for using their kit, nothing will take you longer than at the most 5 minutes. If you're letting your hair grow out a little longer like me, I'm trying to get some of my curls in now that I've been treating them properly, it won't take you that long. I like using it on slightly damp hair so I can section everything off nicely, but things have been going relatively well. And now for the part that all of you care about, including myself, is how has been the result so far. Well, from the first day to right about 30 days, I've really only noticed a little bit of growth in the right side, especially towards the back of my hairline. But for these 30 days, I've actually noticed a lot more vellus hair formation on my left side. Now, my hair loss initially started back when I was about 17, 18, so 2016, 2017 to be precise, on the left side. And now we're actually getting some more vellus hair formation on the right side. And usually when you're getting new hair stimulated, it's going to come out really thin and sort of look very like translucent, like kind of baby hairs. And I've really noticed on my left side there that that's been starting these past 30 days. But on the right side, things are still thickening. They're coming in thicker and denser. There still is a fair bit of skin that's visible, but hey, it's only been 2 months. We have another whole 2 months to go. And I'm just going to continue using everything. I'm satisfied with the results so far. Things have been going smooth, very steady. Hair growth is a marathon, not a sprint. So patience here is an absolute virtue. And the one thing I've noticed on the right side has been that increase in shaft in diameter and thickness, as well as some on the left side, pretty much adjacent to the corner on the right side, has been starting to thick out and a little bit more, but primarily it's been that vellus hair formation on the left side, which, to be fair, my left side has always been struggling no matter what I've been doing, whether that's Rogaine, traditional minoxidil, as well as PRP injections have been a little iffy for some of the progress so far on the left side, but I'm happy we finally found a combination of things that work, which has been this kit. And if you guys are looking to try out the kit, I'm going to leave my link down in the description. That's going to give you a whole 20% off. But it doesn't stop there. The main reason I chose to do this challenge, to partner with them, is their money back guarantee. You can try the entire kit for a whole 150 days. And if you're not satisfied with the results, you can send it back and get a complete refund. You're not going to find any other hair growth product, supplement company, you name it, that's going to give you a guarantee, that's really going to put their money where their mouth is, which I really love and really support. And just don't take my word for it. There's over 1,000 reviews on their website. If you like me and you like my personality, you found this review super helpful, great. But there's over 1,000 of them on their website. So you pair that 20% off. You can get your money back after the 150 days, as well as 1,000 other reviews. You can really make an informed decision for yourself. I would highly recommend trying it. You guys will pretty much have nothing to lose if you're not satisfied with your results. If you are, you reorder, great. You support the channel, you get some better hair. It's a win-win. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to check out all the links in the description for the kit. Thank you so much for Copenhagen Grooming for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys at the 150-day mark 2 months from now. Thank you all so much for watching. Check out some of my other videos on screen right now, and I hope you all have an amazing day. Peace.